Saving time in day-to-day activities is a practice that many people have decided to adopt in order to become more productive in their work. There are plenty of tools that allows you to achieve this purpose. One of them is Chrono application. This productivity tool allows you to synchronize mobile notifications and respond to them from the computer. Chrono helps maintain focus at work by allowing you to interact with relevant notifications directly from the desktop. Therefore, it reduces the need to check your phone. Chrono also allows you to keep track of meetings and appointments online. With this application, you can synchronize only the relevant notifications, eliminate distractions, and allow you to respond quickly to important messages. You can archive an email, such as YouTube video for the reviewing, or track Amazon deliveries, or respond to someone on WhatsApp. With Chrono, you can keep track on the calendar, keeping it up to date with incoming appointments or online meetings all the time. To use it, first, download from Play Store. Open the Chrono app for Android on your mobile. Sign in with your Google or Facebook account, the one that works best for you. Second, grant permissions to access Chrono notifications. Chrono requires this permission to send all your notifications to your desktop. Third, in the next step, Chrono will request permissions to access photos, media, and files. This permission is required to store files sent from desktop to Android. This permit is optional. Fourth, if you want to synchronize all your upcoming events with desktop, click Yes, Synchronize My Calendar. Fifth, locate and install the Chrono extensions in Chrome on your computer. Then click on the icon and a tab with a QR code will be open. And sixth, finally, from your cell phone, click the Scan QR code button. It will open a screen with a camera view. Scan the QR code visible in the Chrome extension from your phone and you're done.